Here's a great looking Camaro, 1972 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Now this is a true SS first off, and two confirmations. It is a Z27 code on the data tag, and we also have the build sheet on this car. So this car does come with a build sheet, and Super Sport package is listed on there, Z27 code. So true SS. Was originally a gray car with black interior, has been repainted since, and very nice paint. This paint is almost a slight color shift, if you will, where you can get a very, very deep blue, as you can see from the luster and reflection, and it'll almost go to an indigo, deep, deep violet. Nothing crazy, not like the rainbows that will go from a root beer color to a teal to a green to a purple to a blue. Nothing like that, just more of kind of a light color shifting blue. So nice custom paint on this black vinyl interior. All right, so underneath the hood, 350, believed to be the original engine. It has been decked, rebuilt, so the serial number, VIN identification number on the engine is no longer there. As far as the casting goes, it is a casting 3970014, which is era correct to this car, and it is a 350. So that's what we can tell you about the engine. Is you can see up front, one-piece bumper, SS logos. This car's kind of been given that drag car kind of look to it, with the little wider whites and the kind of center line style drag wheels, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So 350 underneath the hood, that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brake car. Was originally an AC car. AC components no longer there. And as you can see, nice reflection in the paint. Obviously, a little high-rise hood on there. It is a composite hood. You do have the tie down or the hood pins up front. All right, so still pictures. You want to check this car out. See the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Check the still pictures out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there is a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Or call us, 507-386-1726. Gentleman that brought this car to us to have it sold, had this car for quite some time, is moving and is no longer in need of this car. Is going to be more in the gravel roads and backcountry. Northern Minnesota is where he's going to, so he's maybe looking for a side-by-side or something a little different. That's why he's moving this car. Otherwise, loves the car. Drove it over here from a little less than an hour away. So nice driving car. Quicksilver automatic shifter on the center console there, so bucket seats up front. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Consult with your sales associate when you call in, or shoot us an email. Here, you want a good chuckle? I got to show you this. If his wife's missing her floor mats out of the Outback she's driving, they're in your husband's Camaro. So those will stick back in here to protect the carpet that's in it. I got a kick out of that when I seen that. It was originally a Tennessee car, so it's not spent its entire life up here in the Midwest, and you can see how straight this thing is, how nice it looks. And again, check out those underside pics too, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link in the description down below this video. So here's kind of what I was talking about. You got the little wider kind of radials in the back, got the center line style American racing wheels, so you kind of got that drag look to it, little wing in the back, but very streetable. This car goes down the highway very, very nice. Underneath that hood too, before we open it up, it does have an Edelbrock Performer intake, Holly Street Avenger carb, a little different oil filtration system, and we're going to show you that in a little bit when we fire it up and we pop that hood. All right. Door panels, nice shape. There's your adjustable mirror on the driver's side. I believe that was part of the SS package. Does have an aftermarket tack at it, obviously. Again, kind of going for that drag look. Car has not been stripped. It is just a driver that's got that kind of look going for it. All right, let's fire this up and show you the gauges. FYI, this right here, just leave on. It's a fuel pump. You can turn it off, take the key out. No one's going anywhere because fuel pump won't run. See how easily this car starts. Great sounding car too. So as far as gauge clusters, water temp, oil temp, and there's your fuel gauge. Up here, volts, oil pressure, and vacuum. There you go, very nice interior. Check out the headliner so you can get a look at that. A little tough with the reflection of light there. Door closes very nice. Slip around to the back, listen to this. Great sounding car. This car's quick too. It'll move right along. Alright, I'm going to pause this. I want to pop that hood, get you a good look underneath there. Alright, I'm going to hold the hood with the lobe of the engine there a little bit. It shakes the car just enough that the hood will slowly close. So I'm going to make sure it stays open. We'll set it up. Alright, so there you can see the oil filtration system. I got her down on the low idle so you can hear this thing idle. So there's a little cam in there. Again, 350 has been rebuilt. Edelbrock Reformer intake, poly carb, headers, power steering, power brakes. Nice looking engine bay. An excellent running engine. What a nice rumble that's got. All right. So there you go, 1972 Chevrolet Camaro, true SS, build sheet included, cowl tags, Z27 package, so real deal. Kind of got that drag car look. Beautiful custom paint. 350 turbo, 350 automatic transmission paired with it. Here you go, you're looking for a nice Camaro. This is it. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right to the pictures of this car. Check it over close, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email.